So, you have a panel lift from Paragon Pro Manufacturing Solutions. Congratulations, you've made a great choice. But now, you'll need a place to store it, and the Model 117 panel lift cart is the perfect solution. Now let's get this thing put together. We assume you've taken it out of the box on your own and found that there were two basic parts, the storage frame and the handle. Safety glasses aren't included, but you should find a pair and wear them anyway. Line up the holes between the handle and the frame and insert the 8 bolts provided. After the nuts and bolts are started, use a 13mm socket and a 12mm wrench to tighten the connection. Nice work, Average Joe. With a minimum of effort, you've assembled your panel lift cart. Alright, it looks pretty, but it's functional too. Let's get this thing loaded with our lift. Take the panel lift cradle and slide the mounting head pin into the tube all the way in. When it's secure, lift and turn the retaining hook counterclockwise until it rests on the mounting head. There you go, nice and secure. Now, load the frame assembly onto the opposite side of the cart. Make sure the angle on the cart goes up into the slot on the frame housing. Perfect. Next, take the tripod base and set it in the cart, wheels up with the bottom of the tripod facing out. Be sure to latch it in there by flipping over the retaining hook. And finally, place the crossarms in their slots in front of the cradle with the support hook end at the bottom and the plates facing out. That's it. This baby is stacked and loaded. Looks like it's ready to be rolled over to someone's pickup so they can get some real work done. That's some great work for an Average Joe. Please visit ParagonProMFG.com to learn more and see our full line of products.